In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add screen recording in Colossyan. If you're creating tutorials, demos, or walkthroughs, adding a screen recording inside Colossyan makes your video clearer and more engaging. I'll guide you through the exact clicks, and I'll share a few simple tips so your recording looks clean and professional. First, log into Colossyan. Use your preferred browser. A modern, up-to-date browser will give you the smoothest experience. Before you begin, it helps to close any distracting apps and tidy up your desktop so only the windows you want to show are visible. This keeps your audience focused and protects anything you don't want on screen. Once you're in, open your project in the editor. From the dashboard, choose the project you want to enhance with a screen recording, and Colossyan will load it in the editor view. You'll see your canvas and timeline in the middle, along with controls around the edges. Take a moment to position your scene or slide where the screen recording will make the most sense, so it flows naturally with your content. Next, click on Record on the upper toolbar. Look toward the top of the editor for the record option. When you select it, Colossyan opens a recording panel so you can capture your screen. It's normal for your browser to display a quick permission prompt at this stage. That's part of secure screen capture. You may also notice options related to what you want to capture, which is helpful if you're focusing on a single app or tab. Then select your screen, then start recording. You'll typically see choices like entire screen, a specific window, or a single browser tab. Choose the option that best matches your goal. If you're demonstrating a full workflow that jumps between apps, entire screen works well. If you're showcasing one program, pick its window. For a website tutorial, selecting the specific browser tab keeps the capture clean. After making your selection, click Start Recording. You'll usually see a short countdown, and then everything on the chosen screen begins to record, including your cursor movements. Keep your actions deliberate and your pacing steady so viewers can follow along easily. If your content includes on-screen text or small buttons, zoom in or pause briefly as you point things out to make them more visible. That's all there is to it. Log in, open your project in the editor, click Record on the upper toolbar, select your screen, and start recording. With these steps, you can quickly capture clear, focused screen recordings right inside Colossyan, ready to integrate into your video.